All right. Woo! It's a little chilly today. That's all right though. Mama didn't raise no bitch. It rained a lot yesterday. Thunderstormed. Whew, and I was hoping it wouldn't be this cold today. So, my goal is, even though it's a shitty day, I'm gonna go somewhere I haven't been in like 3 years, try to get some good footage. It's like not necessarily like a park. I'm not sure what you'd call it. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. I'm recording this video in 1080p this time instead of 960. I want to see how well that turns out. The shitty thing is, it's just going to be a bigger file. Probably take longer to upload. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Oh, it is fucking cold. As of right now, I'm just gonna try to get up as much content, good content, as I can. I know the first video was completely uncut, but I'm actually gonna cut this video and take, you know, some time editing it and stuff. Probably gonna be the only bike on the road today. I don't know though, I've seen some bikes on the road when it's been pretty fucking cold though, so I don't know. We'll see. My legs are probably gonna be completely numb after this ride, but like I say, mama didn't raise no bitch. I'm gonna be that guy today. I'm gonna be that guy. What the fuck are you doing? Turn green while I'm still going, please. Son of a bitch. I shouldn't have been that guy. Oh, it's about to turn. Let's turn green, unless they get the green arrow. Oh. Fucking neutral. I've done that way too many times. It makes you look like a fucking retard, dude. Oh my god. Long story short, you have to pass second gear, or I'm sorry, you have to pass neutral to get into second gear. So it's first gear is down, pressing all the way down. I basically just look like a retard for shifting into neutral. Everybody stop. Okay. Woo! And this bike might not be very fast, but it's still fun. And it's fucking cold as shit right now. I'm turning like right here. Thank you. I have my blinker on, dude. 47 acres with parking lot, hiking trails, boardwalk, observation platforms, no restrooms. Shit. Yeah, I think I'm at the wrong spot, dude. Because I know I could get some decent footage of the place I'm thinking of. Excuse me. Okay, so yeah, see I'm in neutral right now? Look at this. Okay, that's a neutral light. So I can come off the clutch, I'm not in the gear. So, I basically just look like a retard. Yeah, this is the one. See, dude, I wasn't fucking crazy. There's even somebody here. Man, neutral. Oh, looks like they're all out of trail guides. Damn it. Aw. I'm taking a walk. I say good morning or afternoon, I don't know. Afternoon, I guess. Good afternoon. How you doing?
Good.
Good. That was awkward. He was looking at my camera like what the fuck you doing, kid? What do you want? What are you doing back here with the fucking helmet on and the camera on? Oh, that was kind of weird. It's very soothing. But it's still kind of creepy, man. Oh, my microphone's falling down. I need to fix that. Shit. I'm gonna stop right here and fuck, get this microphone fixed. Literally nothing I can do about the mic. That's what I get for putting it up there with scotch tape. I need to super glue that bitch to the helmet. Should've just taken the bike through here, bro. That would've been cool, man. And this is it. Spread positive vibes, man. Right now, the mic's in like my cheek well. I might end it here if the quality of the mic gets completely messed up from where it is right now. But we'll see. I don't know. And I really hope this mic doesn't get screwed in the wind. Nice and easy. Ooh, slide everywhere. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can do it. Oh man. Oh man. Wait. Okay. Okay. Gotta go. Gotta go. First gear. Second gear. What the fuck? I want to go around them, but yeah, let's go. Ooh, sketch. Oh, fucking, there's a cop right there, dude. Shit. Hey, man, I wasn't speeding, okay? Okay, but for real, I shouldn't have done that. But why did that semi slow down so much and then decide to keep on going? Slowing fucking everybody down, like, what? Well, at least I got some decent footage, I guess you'd call it, right before I got home. Oh my god, that was so fucking sketchy, bro. Could you take a more of a wider turn? What are you doing? Alright, boys, this is my stop. Peace out, motherfucker.